a non-local Hana winner. Let me see. Okay, 2006, 2009, 2012, and obviously not a stranger to us here in Hawaii. And along with her dad, she's really, you learn a lot from mom and dad, right? I mean, the tradition has to come down. And so with her dad, Howard Ai from Halau Hula Olana. You've seen them at Mary Monarch many years, and the beautiful Natalie Ai Kamo. She has the sweetest voice. Natalie, you know what? Dave Lancaster and I talked. I said, I call him. I hope this is not wrong. But we're like, what if her kids are, make mom upset? But she has such a sweet voice. How can you reprimand your children with such a sweet voice? You go sit over there. How do you do it? She has such a sweet voice. Oh my gosh, I just better give her to you folks. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Natalie Ai Kamau and her sweetie Iolani.
Mai Hawaii kua uli ake one oni now